we are back at our second home. We've made it to Glamis. We got the car back together. It's looking good with those hostile wheels. And she's definitely feeling fast again today. We're getting froggy. We're gonna be testing some stuff out. Also, his car just got Pro EFI done to it with an Evo turbo kit. And then we got Brent here. So here we go. It's time to rip. Sean here. Got a little juice on the Mavor. I think it's handling pretty good. So you think you got me on that car?
I think I do if I don't be a pussy.
I 100% think you will.
Okay.
But time will tell.
I just
The
have
problem
to let
is
him drive it real quick.
Problem is,
I don't
it's not epic when a Pro EFI car beats a Pro EFI car.
2C, 4C.
We need another car. Got an Evo turbo in there. Huh? You got a little bit of a mutt going on.
Fast as you can go up, fast as you can go down. You never got to lift. So
Race. So Mavor versus low boost Pro R.
About halfway to 3/4.
Oh boy. Brent, you gonna win? You gonna win?
I don't know.
You think you can beat a Mavor?
I don't know.
I mean, it has a Pro EFI tune, but you got Mr. Boost.
I don't know.
You don't look confident.
I don't know yet.
Dude, you got this. Oh, fancy new gloves.
Got new gloves.
Racing gloves. Is this you getting serious?
No, I wanted to hang on for dear life. Here, that's why I put gloves.
I think you got the win here. I have confidence in you. Shelby, I have zero confidence in her winning this. You got this, Brent. You got this, Brent. He's scared.
I'm scared. I'm nervous.
He's scared to lose to a Mavor and a girl.
And a girl all at the same time.
I'll give you guys the shake. We got Shelby driving the Mavor with the boost juice from Pro EFI. Pro R with the Pro EFI turbo. Oh, then we got side-by-side addicts. Old car with the Evo turbo but Pro EFI tune. The ECU to liven that girl up. All right. Shelby and Chris right behind. But it was a good match. It was a good match. That's what it's all about. It's a good match. Good match. Let's see what she says. Did you win?
Huh? Can you imagine what this would do on Pro EFI?
Did you win?
I don't think so.
Brent won that one, right?
What?
Brent won that one, but barely. You won that one. Did she win the first one or did you? You won both of them? Look at there. I think he wants to run you. You want to run him? You had him.
I already beat him.
Close. You guys were a hugging.
Good stop to that.
Yeah. You guys were hugging right there.
That was fun.
That was good though. You had him out of the hole like you wouldn't believe. It's those pros, those STU pros. You're welcome. You're welcome, Brent. I got him. We have a thing with STU. If you guys want STU tires, we can get you tires at STU. Also Packard. We're hostile wheels. Name it. We get it for you. Full blown Pro EFI on the far end. Got Evo Turbo with the Pro EFI ECU. And then Sean just did boost juice to the Malvar. So here we go. We'll see how it handles against these. Oh, they're getting excited over there. Shelby! Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa! All right, everybody ready? Go! Say that Malvar is flying because it's running with that boosted Pro R. Nothing's running high 200s, I think. Let's go! Give him a car! Alright, Sean's just been playing with everybody. Yep, obviously just been playing with everybody. Just toying with everybody, okay. Now we know. The suspension was fine, he was just toying. Sand cars off with that car. That car's moving. You just playing with everybody?
I'm half throttle until I get to the very top.
Is it just you're just bucking too much, or you're just playing with everybody?
I'm playing. You see how fast
yeah, that's what I'm like. I'm like, dude, I know that car's faster than that.
That's why I said one more.
He says he's serious. Are you ready? Are you gonna win? He's serious now. He's ready now. He's amped up. Okay. Alright, here we go. Sean's actually gonna... Shelby cheated. Oh, Shelby tried to start early. Sean still got the win. We just saw it. Sean was playing with him at the beginning.
Are you on standalone or anything? Yeah? What, Motec? Oh yeah, yeah. Get set, go! need to find out what's wrong with your helmet. You need to.
It's broken, like the rest of my car.
There you go. Fuck it. Shit.
Look at that view. From a distance, it looks amazing. Up close, there's a lot of smacks, scratches, all sorts of things.